Morning student, welcome back to math for class 12th. Today is the miscellaneous of chapter 6 and some questions are deleted for because exercise 1 and exercise 4 are deleted by the CBSE board. So question number 1 is also deleted, question number 2. Okay, so that the function of log x upon x has a maximum at x equal to e. Okay, so first derivative of function by this rule dy dx of log x into x inverse using the product rule. X inverse ddx of 1 upon x plus log x ddx of x inverse minus 1 upon x square, right? This is 1 upon x square and log minus log x upon x square. So must be equal to f dash of x equal to 1 minus log x upon x square. Okay, so first condition is f dash of x equal to 0, then 1 minus log x equal to 0, log x equal to 1, x equal to e raised to 1, that is yes. And second derivative, find that second derivative. Second derivative also cleared the this point maximum or minimum. Okay, so this by division rule. Second ddx of first minus 1 upon x minus 1 minus log x is minus ddx of x square 2x upon x raised to 4. I am putting the value of x is e square minus e is short form and minus 2 e 1 minus log e raised to e, this 0 upon e raised to 4. This is a minus e upon e raised to 4 is less than 0. So therefore given function at x equal to e is maximum. Okay, negative function, second derivative is negative value, that is a function. So therefore f is a negative. Proof. Next question. Question number 5. 3 is deleted, 4 already solved. Prove that the normal of the points theta and x equal to a cos theta plus a theta sin theta. Okay, and y equal to a sin theta minus a theta cos theta is at the constant distance from the origin, normal point, and that means this normal. Okay, so find the equation of normal and then find the length of normal and then after find length of normal. Okay, so find the equation of normal. So find firstly slope is slope this n, slope of tangent, this n equal to dy dx. So differentiate dy d theta, this function of theta, a cos theta minus this bracket product rule, a common theta minus sin theta plus cos theta dd theta 1, this equal to a cos theta minus a and this multiply bracket a theta a minus theta sin theta sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, and dy sorry, dx d theta, dx d theta, then first a dd of cos a sin theta, okay, this, and product rule, a product rule theta, sin theta plus d theta 1 and theta dd of sin theta cos theta equal to minus a sin theta or plus a sin theta plus a theta cos theta. Same, minus minus plus a theta sin theta minus plus minus a cos theta. This cos theta cancel and this is also cancel. Slope dy dx equal to dy d theta upon dx upon dt by chain rule. So this dy dx is minus minus plus a theta sin theta upon this a theta cos theta. A theta cancel. This is tan theta. This slope is tan theta. Slope of normal. Find slope of normal. This normal slope minus 1 upon n, minus 1 upon tan theta equal to minus cos theta. Equation of this. And equation of normal. Y minus y1 slope m x minus x1 using this formula. So y minus y1 is starting value this a sin theta minus a theta cos theta equal to slope this minus cot, when cot or minus cot means cos theta upon sin theta. Use this form, okay? And x minus x1 this a cos theta minus a theta sin theta, okay? So I just cross multiply y sin theta and this minus a sin square theta minus minus plus a theta sin theta or cos theta equal to minus x cos theta minus minus plus a cos square theta minus minus plus a theta sin theta cos theta, sin theta or cos theta, right? So x, this changing left side, y sin theta plus x cos theta. Square term in one side, cos square and 1 square, okay? So take 1, so minus a sin square plus, of this side minus, so already plus cos square theta, right? This transfer to minus and minus common, this is also plus a theta sin theta cos theta or a theta sin theta cos theta cancel equal to 0. This value 1, y sin theta plus x cos theta minus a equal to 0, which is the equation of normal. Equation of normal. So find length, normal length from origin. Here origin means 0, 0. So length of origin, length d, this y cos theta plus x, sorry, y sin theta x cos theta minus a upon under root coefficient of x square sin square plus cos square theta. This is a length of from the origin point. Putting y x or y equal to 0, 0, x and y 0, 0. So this 0 plus 0 minus a upon this one. So d equal to modulus minus a equal to a. So d equal to a. distance equal to, you get your answer. Okay, the next question. Next question, question number 8. Important question. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to equation of the ellipse and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is given in inscribe of a ellipse and its vertex is end at the major axis. So you can ellipse. Clear? This is a axis, x-axis and y-axis. Y dash, this is origin, and major axis, this is a x-axis and major axis. A is greater than b. Okay, so major axis A, this point coordinate हो गया a comma 0 and take minimum to ये point, this point कहीं भी ले लो आप, you can take this point. Okay, and join this triangle which is also isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, which is also isosceles, or this is the altitude. Okay, so find this coordinate is A, this coordinate B, and this coordinate C. Find by this formula. Equation of the ellipse is given, so this point on a ellipse, so this point on a ellipse, this point is clear, but 2 points of B and C are missed. So find coordinate B and coordinate C on ellipse. Equation of ellipse is satisfy of this equation. So y equal to this transfer 1 minus x square upon a square b square, and then y equal to plus minus b upon a under root a square minus x square is right. Okay, so coordinate or B is second quadrant. The second quadrant x negative, x is negative, or y equal to plus, y is positive, so take value b upon a under root a square minus x square. And coordinate C is lying in third quadrant, so minus x and minus b upon a under root a square minus x square, right? And a coordinate already given, a comma 0. The area of triangle, isosceles triangle, 1 upon 2 by Heron's formula. x1, x2, y3 minus y1, and x3, y1 minus y2. Okay, by Heron's formula. This is an important question. Okay, so 1 upon 2 x1 is y2 minus y3, y2 this positive, or minus 3 minus minus plus, so 2b upon a under root a square minus x square, right? One clear? Yes, so plus y2 minus y3, minus minus plus, directly corresponds. Okay, sorry, x2 this value is a minus x, so this is also minus x. X2 this y3 minus y1, y3 this value minus b upon a under root a square minus x1 minus y1 0. This is x3, this is also x3 minus 3 minus x, and y1 minus y2 0 minus this, so 0 minus b upon a under root a square minus x square more. This 1 upon 2 a, 2b, a, so a cut, 2b is here, 2b under root a square minus x square, minus x, minus minus plus, of this minus minus plus, so this is equal to plus x, or this x, and minus b, minus minus plus b, so 2xb upon a under root a square minus x. The equation of a for area. Area is given. Okay, and solve under root this, and 2x upon and 2b, so 2b 2b under root a square minus x square onto this 2 common. So 2b is the 1 plus this side x upon a. Upon a. 2 cut. So this LCM b, so b upon a under root a square minus x square into 1, sorry, a plus x, right? LCM a. This is the a. b upon a under root a square minus x square into a plus x. This is the equation number 1. Derivative of this equation. Okay, this is maximum. Area is maximum, right? So area of the isosceles diagram of this is area is maximum area. Already find this area. The derivative dA upon with respect to x dx. Okay, so b upon a constant value, product rule, under root a square minus x square ddx of this into 1 and plus 1 a plus x ddx of this upon under root a square minus x square into 1 upon 2, right? And y2 वहीं पे minus to minus कर this and ddx of this minus 2x. Okay, so simplify this formula. 2 and 2 cut this minus, okay, this plus value b upon a, this LCM a square minus x square or minus 2x a plus x, okay, upon under root a square minus x square. This is it. And then find b upon a minus 2x minus plus minus 2x square. This value a square and minus 2 cut already, no 2, only x, ax and this minus plus minus ax square minus 2x square, okay, upon under root a square minus x square. This is a dA upon dx. So dA upon dx equal to 0. So this value a square minus ax minus x square equal to 0 or x square plus ax minus a square equal to 0 and choose factor 1 ja 1, oh sorry 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2x square plus 2ax minus ax minus a square equal to 0, 2x common, x plus a and then minus a common, x plus a equal to 0, x plus a and 2x minus a equal to 0. So then x equal to minus a and a upon 2. Have two factor. So x equal to minus a is vanishes. So then d2a upon dx square equal to, find this value, this function, okay, this short function b upon a by division rule under root a square minus x square ddx of this 0 minus 1, sorry a 1 ja 1 and minus 4x, okay, and minus this value a square minus ax minus 2x square and ddx of this 1 upon under root a square minus x square into 1/2 ddx of this minus 2x. Then putting value of this value and this minus, and this is also minus, this negative or this is also plus value or plus value negative, and putting this value of this function 2a upon dx square at x equal to a by 2, a by 2, a square by 2, a by 2 to 2a minus a, this is also negative and this negative, that is less than 0. The whole solution or negative. So then maximum area of isosceles triangle at x equal to a upon 2. So therefore find the maximum area. So maximum area equal to this equation of area already given this side. Okay, this b upon a, this value. Okay, this is the area of triangle. A equal to b upon a under root a square minus x square into a plus x, right? This value a plus x. This satisfy of this inputting value b upon a under root a square minus a square by 4 a plus a by 2. This must be equal to b upon a 4 minus 3 under root 3 a square minus a upon 2 into 2a plus 1 3a upon 2 is equal to a1 cut ab and 3 under root 3 2 to the 4. So then a equal to 3 under root 3 numerical first upon 4. Your answer. This is the answer of this. The next question number is 10. Okay, question number 10. The sum of the perimeter of this triangle. The sum of the perimeter of circle and square. So circle 2 pi r plus 4a equal to k. A be the side of square, okay, and r be the radius of circle. Clear? Circle. So this is equal to this. Then a equal to find this a value side in term of radius. Yeah, radius find to in term of a. So r in term of derivative equal to k minus 2 pi r upon 4. This is a value of a. And a square, and is a k is the form of constant. This k is constant, and prove that the sum of the area of the areas is least whose is the sum of the square is the double of the radius. Prove that side equal to double of the radius. ये प्रूव आपको करना है. And least area of circle plus square. Area of circle pi r square, side a square. A is also given pi r square plus bracket k minus 2 pi r upon 4 whole square. This is it. So dA upon dr with respect to r, and this find 2 pi r, right, plus, and this 1 by 16 bar k minus this. So 2 k minus 2 pi r and ddx of this minus 2 pi. 2 to the 4 and 4, and this 2 pi r and minus pi k minus 2 pi r. This is a dA upon this, and dA upon dr equal to 0. So this point 2 pi r minus pi into k minus 2 pi r equal to 0. And upon this points 2 pi r and minus plus 2 pi r square r and pi k. Pi r equal to pi into k minus 2 pi r. This transfer this side, left side, so 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square r equal to pi k. Pi is common, k की cut 2r plus 2 pi r equal to k. R is common, 2r common, r is common, so k upon 2 plus 2 pi plus 2 pi, right? Now this is a this, oh sorry, by 4, I'm missing this by 4. Oh, I see, this by 4. Okay, yes, pi into k into 2 pi r upon 4. 4 is multiplied, 8 pi r equal to pi into k minus 2 pi r. So pi cut, so this 2r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, this pi r. Okay, r is common, 8 plus 2 pi equal to k. Then r equal to k upon 8 plus 2 pi, that is k upon 4 into 2 plus pi. Sorry, 2 common, 4 plus pi, right? So this r equal to k upon 2 into 4 plus pi. This is a value of r, and second derivative d upon dr square equal to, and then okay, equal to on 4. So this must be equal to a derivative of this 2 pi r, 2 pi and pi k minus 2 pi r, pi by 4 or dd of k minus 2r minus 2 pi. Okay, so this 2 to get 2 pi into pi minus plus pi square by 2. This is a negative, it's a minimum value. So therefore minimum function at r equal to k upon 2 into 4 plus pi. Minimum function means area of is given is also circle and square, right? So this is a minimum. The minimum is least, as a least or minimum, एक ही बात है. Okay, so r equal to this, तो find this relation. तो a equal to ay, what a equal to k minus 2 pi upon k minus 2 pi r upon 4, and r equal to this, so remove of k, so find k, and k equal to 2r 4 plus pi equal to k from this. Then a equal to, putting the value of k, 2r 4 plus pi minus 2 pi r upon 4. So that right, 2 4 8r and plus 2 pi r minus 2 pi r upon a 4. Cut a equal to 8r by 4 to 2, then a equal to 2r. This is the right, and side of the square is equal to double or twice of radius of circle, right? And split. Complete the exercise. Next.